And Monday morning is off to a quiet start, but we have quite the, wacky week ahead for the last week of October. First, we're going to see our wind gusts really start to strengthen. Later today, up to 30 miles per hour, 40 tomorrow, 45 by Wednesday. Then we break some records with the temperatures tomorrow, not only your afternoon high, but even the overnight low, only to see some active weather returning late Wednesday into, the spookiest day of the year. So far this morning, though, we're quiet. Cloud cover will hang out with us and temperatures dropping in the low 40s. Then we continue to see those temperatures climbing 60 degrees by noon. Cloud cover still with us, and we'll reach into those upper 60s and then the upper 50s later tonight as we still hang on to some of those clouds. Notice though, your wind gusts will start to strengthen to 30 miles per hour as we then get ready for a very toasty Tuesday. The record for tomorrow's date sits at 81 degrees with that overnight low at 61. Take a look at what we're forecasting. 82 for your afternoon high. Overnight lows only drop into those mid 60s. Both those values are at risk, and that'll be the 10th time to hit 80 degrees or higher this late in the year in Rockford. So breaking some records as we'll also see quite the windy weather. Today again, gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow a bit stronger, around 40 miles per hour, then to see those gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Wednesday, we're going to have to hang on to those hats, and keep in mind too, any Halloween decorations might want to secure them before we start to see those gustier winds. And then we see some active weather creeping in. As a cold front approaches, we could even see a low chance for some stronger storms. Right now, though, most of that resides further to the west within Joe Davis, Carroll, and Whiteside counties. A 1 out of 5 potentially for damaging wind gusts and hail, but a lot of that will only be weakening as it reaches northern Illinois. Here's what that looks like on future track right around 6 o'clock. So as we get closer to sunset, we could potentially start to see some showers moving in. And then a bulk of that activity comes in overnight, a lot of us sleeping. Here's what 3 a.m. looks like. Some pockets of heavy rain at times, could hear some rumbles of thunder. That continues to then move out as we head into, our Thursday morning. Dry conditions expected just in time for some of the trick-or-treating. So if anything, just get ready for a colder Halloween. Those temperatures will end up dropping into the 50s and 40s throughout the evening. 30s overnight. So we have quite the swing as we head over the next several days. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, you will end up seeing that active weather again this weekend, as we'll also get an extra hour of sleep, bringing our clocks back, and that'll take us into next week ahead of Election Day, where your temperatures will fall into the 50s.